Hello dear friends, this is Flora from常見Ikebana School. Today I'm showing you this arrangement which combined with my old design from this part, and then I add one more stem of flower. And I try to create the balance from here, this part against here going up, and here you feel the pulling. So this both sides need to hold each other to create kind of tension in this work, and also you can enjoy this nice beautiful pattern. We continue develop by these branches. And then the beautiful lines goes this direction. So the reason why I put a flower here is to balance this left side, this part, but it's heavier, so I make this angle a little smaller than this one because it here is lighter, so you need bigger space. It also has the power to balance because our eyes has been catched by this part. So you notice how to create the balance from right between right and left. And it's not complicated, but you need to arrange each part of the material. And also we could enjoy here this surface which create by a lot of lines which telling you don't forget the vase. This might be reflection and create even more bigger surface like this. We can also enjoy the shadow part of this work. Okay. And since I still have some more materials, I will keep continue. So I add some more anemones to bring the feeling of spring and some more nice color to fit with the structure. And now I finish this work, so we can look around and enjoy it. Such a nice, beautiful moment you can share with flowers. Of course, it's nice decoration at home too. So I wish you tried it too. Hi dear friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like the channel, please subscribe and then hit the like button. Under the video in the description is a link to my Patreon account. If you would like considering supporting my work or taking my consultation lesson, then there are different category of my Patreon. So please check. And then thank you all. See you next time. Bye bye.